Ash is my nephew.
Is your nephew. So paano po nakuha ni Elias Nash yung baril nyo, yung Glock 17, na nakalagay, nasa kwarto nyo, pero nakalagay sa isang plastic container?
Nash unlawfully entered my own house. It's not a room po. It's my own house.
So house.
Yes po. He forcibly damaged my locker. It was locked. And my house was locked as well po, ma'am.
Pero yung locker ay plastic locker.
Plastic locker, and my firearm was inside a gun box. The locker was as well locked po. And I am only the one who had possession of the keys to my house, ma'am.
So nakapasok siya sa bahay kahit wala siyang susi. Yung plastic locker, standard ba na pang safekeep yon ng firearm? Plastic locker, hindi mas matibay na locker?
Yung standard po is yung safety vault, but it was in good faith, ma'am, that I believe it was safe at that time, since I'm only the one staying in my own house.
So standard po